Hello, I am Andrea Iglioxi from Noticias 19 Univisión, and I want to welcome you to our virtual education fair, Contigo Rumbo a la Universidad. In this interactive virtual platform, you will have the opportunity to visit different kiosks of various universities and colleges. The platform is very easy to use. At the beginning, you will see our reception module where my colleague Viviana Paez and I will be welcoming you to our virtual fair. In the upper right part, you will be seeing a map with boxes and red dots. When you click on each one of them, you will be visiting virtually every kiosk in our universities and participating schools. Now, on the other side of your screen, on the left, you will find the link to go to our auditoriums, where there is the detailed program of our different workshops. The virtual fair begins this Friday, October 1st, and ends on Saturday, October 2nd. Once again, we welcome you to our virtual education fair, Contigo Rumbo a la Universidad.